right, number 3. Write the quadratic form of the equation given the vertices 3, 2, and 3, 6. And now we have the length of the conjugate axis is 10 units. All right, so let's graph our vertices. Over 3, up 2, over 3, up 6. So now I see that it's going vertical. So if it's going vertical, I like to write my equation right away. That means y is going to be first. All right, so now I can find the center. I don't need the midpoint formula. I can just see it's going to be 2 places down from each vertice, 2 places up there. So my center is at the point 3, 4. If you want to do the midpoint formula, you can, but it's easy to just look at the graph and see the center is at 3, 4. All right, so now I have to find A, which we actually just found. So A is 2. I need B. All right, so now I have to use the other information that was given. Conjugate axis is 10 units long. Well, the conjugate axis is a total of 10 units. So that means from the center, I'm going to go left 5 units and right 5 units. So that gives me a total length of 10 units for the conjugate axis. I really didn't have to graph it. As long as you know the conjugate axis, half of the conjugate axis is what's going to give you B. So B is just going to be 5. All right, so now let's plug everything in. Y minus 4 quantity squared over 4 minus x minus 3 quantity squared over, let's see, that's going to be 25 equal to 1. That would be standard form, so now we got to multiply to get quadratic form. Least common denominator here is 100, so let's multiply everything by 100. So that's going to give me 25. I'm going to square that right away. That's going to give me 4. Let me square that right away. Equal to 100. Let's distribute. Is that 200? 25 times 16 is 400. Please be careful for your sign here because you're distributing the negative 4. So that's going to make this plus 24x and minus 36 equal to 100. My only like terms here, I can only take 400 minus 36. So that's going to give me 364. And I'm going to put the x's first. So let me rewrite that. Negative 4x squared plus 24x plus 25y squared minus 200y. And that is plus 364 equal to 100. Last step, subtract the 100. So now I got negative 4x squared plus 24x plus 25y squared minus 200y plus 264 equal to 0.